Good day, I'm Twyla Whelan, and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, January 2, 2024. The government will be taking on bold investments this year in key areas of national developments. These were announced by Prime Minister Andrew Holness in his address to the nation on New Year's Day. Among them is the build-out of a comprehensive social services response to crime and violence. The Prime Minister explains that it will target education and youth services, social partnerships with faith-based and NGOs, and social safety net support for at-risk groups. It will also include public health intervention and targeted media and public education campaigns.
Therefore, in 2024, my administration will focus on reducing violence, building our social and emotional intelligence and human capital, strengthening our families, and promoting peace in our land.
Addressing road infrastructure, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the government will follow through on its plan to begin targeted road repairs to local and community roads through a $20 billion budget allocation. This, he indicates, will address years of neglect, which has resulted in approximately 11,000 kilometers of roadways needing repair.
You will have a say in which roads should be repaired first from the allocations, and your elected representatives will be tasked to hold community consultations.
Other works on schedule to begin this year are the widening of Grange Lane in Portmore, along with a new entrance to Portmore off Mandela Highway. This is expected to ease traffic congestion on that thoroughfare.
We will begin work to widen the bridge on Washington Boulevard, and plans are far advanced for procurement of works to improve Tom Redcombe Drive and Lady Musgrave Road in Kingston.
Prime Minister Holness also announces that motorists will be able to use the Maypen to Williamsfield leg of the East-West Highway toll-free until March 31 this year.
Early this year, we will open the dualized highway from Harborview heading to Yallas, along with several segments heading to Port Antonio.
A renewed call is being made for persons to step into the new year with a sense of purpose and a rekindled spirit of unity. That's the word from Governor-General Sir Patrick Allen in his New Year's message to the nation. Sir Patrick also asked for an unwavering commitment to making our nation a haven of peace, prosperity, and harmony.
Together, we can turn challenges into opportunities and our collective dreams into reality.
Meanwhile, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is urging citizens to embrace the opportunities that lie ahead and face challenges with courage and wisdom.
God has given us the opportunity to see the sun rise on a new year. Let us rejoice with gratitude and embrace the 2024 canvas of possibilities to paint new and better pictures for our future with vibrant colors of our Jamaican creativity, dreams, and aspirations, or complete the masterpieces we have started with optimism and determination.
Similarly, Leader of the Opposition Mark Golding reiterates the need for collective commitment to seeing positive changes in our lives and our country.
It is clear to me that overcoming our serious challenges requires a collaborative approach, energized by a renewed spirit of national unity. I am committed to working constructively and in good faith with all well-thinking Jamaicans, regardless of political affiliation or the considerations that have too long divided us, towards finding the ways and means to secure a better future for our country.
And finally, the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation is seeking to dispel rumours that the government intends to displace residents of central Kingston to make way for a new development. The concerns reportedly arose from an urgent notice posted by the ministry in a local newspaper recently, seeking to identify the owners of a property in the area. But the ministry released a press statement explaining that the land acquisition advertisement is part of the pre-planning to rehouse residents displaced by a fire on James Street and Smith Lane on August 8, 2022, as well as address the housing needs of other community members. Following the fire, Prime Minister Andrew Holness and a team from the Hope unit visited the area and gave a commitment to rebuilding and rehousing the affected families. It was indicated that the government would need to acquire necessary properties for housing development. A joint site visit was subsequently undertaken on August 18, 2022 by the relevant branches of the ministry, along with the Member of Parliament. That site visit was to assess the extent of fire damage to commence planning for the replacement of the affected housing units. The plan also included acquiring 29 James Street, a vacant building that poses a security risk. In explaining the misconceptions that have arisen, the ministry says it unequivocally denies any intention to displace residents. A meeting is being planned for this week with affected families and residents to discuss comprehensive redevelopment plans for the area, aligning with the government's urban renewal goals. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Twyla Whelan. Thanks for watching.